Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry for my hair, and I know it looks like I'm always wearing like pajamas. Truth is, I am. I work from home. I wear pajamas in the house. Anyways, let's get started. Today we're gonna make it rain in Adobe Photoshop. Really quick, really easy. Let's jump right into it. First off, bring your image into Photoshop. Then create a new layer, fill it with black. Then we're gonna go to filter, noise, add noise. We're gonna go with, I think, about 20. We want pretty soft rain. We don't want to go crazy. If you want to go really crazy, you just add the amount of noise. But I guess we're gonna go with 20. Press OK. Then we're gonna go to filter, blur, motion blur. We are going to angle this to whatever angle we want our rain to come into. I want it to come from the top, this side. Can't tell left from right, not so good at that, but from here to here. And you can select the length of your rain drops. I don't want them to be too long. I'm gonna go with probably like 30 and press OK. I'm gonna then make it a tiny bit bigger so that you can't see the edges, and then change blending mode to whatever fits with your image best. I usually go with screen. I feel like screen works with almost all photos. And lastly, go to the adjustments tab. I'm gonna select the levels adjustment. I'm going to hold down Alt or Option and click in between my adjustment layer and the rain layer to make it into a clipping mask. This way, the levels adjustment will only affect the rain and it won't affect the image that's underneath. Last thing you have to do is move the shadows, which is this slider over here. Just move it a little bit to the right. Move it a little to the right. You can also adjust the midtones if you want the rain to show up more or less. And that's it. It's done. It's that easy. It's that cool. How long did this take? Like 2 minutes to make. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please feel free to subscribe and comment if you want to request any tutorials. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.